What if I told you that you could produce studio quality audio in the world's worst recording environments? Your kitchen, a parking lot, even a noisy coffee shop. With AI, location doesn't matter anymore. If you use Descript, it's easy and fast. Let me show you. Just record your video anywhere you want with whatever gear you have. Your laptop or your phone will do just fine. When you're done, drag your recording into Descript. First, it's going to transcribe it for you, so you can edit your video by editing the text. But before you do that, start by fixing up your audio by going over here and clicking on Studio Sound. Descript's AI will strip out all the background noise, echo, and all the other stuff you don't want. So it sounds like you recorded in a studio, wherever you were.
Of course, you can always speak to a human expert.
And that's it. Now you have professional sounding audio. It took, 20 seconds? But let's say your audio is already good, except where you bumped your mic at an important moment, or your cat decided to get involved. AI can fix that too. Just find the part you need to fix,
Now, navigate over to the provider search.
highlight the text, and click Regenerate. The AI will work its magic and
Now navigate over to the provider search.
you know what? You can also use Regenerate to change what you said, your actual words. If you screwed up somebody's name or said the wrong thing, just click on it, type what you want it to say, and it'll replace the word for you using AI voice cloning, blending it into the surrounding audio so it sounds natural.
And we speak to a human expert with one of our lion wranglers.
And it can even change your mouth movements to match the new audio.
And we speak to a human expert with one of our lion wranglers.
Perfect, like you said it right the first time. Here's one more way you can use AI to get perfect audio without recording at all. With AI voices, you can create an entire voiceover or narrate an entire podcast just by typing. Check this out. Just open a new project, type out your script, or paste it in from where you wrote it. Now choose one of Descript's stock AI voices. You can see all the voices and their different characteristics here. Just pick the one that fits your vibe and your content. And Descript's AI will turn your script into perfect, human-sounding audio.
Welcome to Lion Shore. Today, I'll guide you through how to choose a health.
So there you go. Professional quality audio, and you didn't spend a dime on mics and soundproofing. You should go buy yourself something nice. Oh, maybe a candlestick.